Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. 'Tis the season to be enjoying a pandemic with your parents. I'm not gonna become a famous YouTuber, Mom, if you're always in my background. Can't let people know I live at home. What? I'm gonna call you my roommate.
Put everything back where you got to.
I will, I always do.
Look
Does
at
this sweater make me look bad? A little. It's like puffy. It's too puffy.
Nice.
You're just telling me that. Anywho, let's get right into the recipe and started. First things first, we're going to need is egg yolks. I have 6 egg yolks that I already separated right here. And then I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I have 2 cups of milk. And then I have a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to use whole cloves and whole cinnamon to toss into the milk so it can be like seasoned and flavored. Last but not least, half a cup of sugar because everybody likes things that are sweeter. So yeah, let's get right into it and start whipping away. I'm gonna start out by getting 2 cups of milk and putting it into a saucepan. I have a saucepan right here. I'm gonna turn it on like medium low because you don't want it to be too hot. You don't want to scald your milk. You just want to like steam it up and infuse it with the cinnamon and the cloves. So we're going to toss in and 2 cups. Then you're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Oh my God, that's a lot of heavy cream. Oh my God, that's a lot of calories. But you know what? It's been a long year, so we're not counting calories like I said before. We're just gonna mix all that up. And we're gonna get our egg yolks, and we're going to mix the egg yolks with the sugar. So egg yolks, 6 egg yolks, and half a cup of sugar. Just toss them in the bowl with the sugar. So half a cup of sugar. Just whip it up, mix it up. I don't know how many calories this has. I think it has a lot. So yeah, if you want to use like low-cal sweetener or like Swerve or Stevia or Splenda, have at it. But you know, it's been a rough year and I'm gonna need all the calories I can because yeah, I'm over it. And you're just gonna get your egg yolks and you're gonna mix it with the sugar until it's blended. Look, it's blended, it's done. Keep whisking away. Just mix it up. Whisk until, yeah, it's almost done. And then add like a pinch of salt or whatever you want. And then, yeah, that's all. And then we're just going to toss in 1 whole cinnamon stick. You can like get these really cheap in the Mexican or like, I don't know, like seasonal aisle. Okay, so after you tossed in your cinnamon stick, you want to add like 2 or 3 pieces of cloves, and then I'll fish them out later, and let that infuse for about like, I would say like 5 to 7 minutes or until it starts steaming up. A 1,000,001 hours later, still whisking away our egg yolks. Actually, if you do whisk it a lot, it becomes like lighter in color, so I don't know what that does. But yeah, I'm already over it. We're going to fish out the cloves right now. I'm just gonna use like a little strainer thing. And then okay. And then after this, you are going to slowly but surely whisk your hot milk and cream mixture into the egg yolks. You don't want to cook the egg yolks, like curdle them, because then you're gonna have like scrambled eggnog and that's gross. So you're gonna get a little ladle and you're just going to like whisk in a little bit and mixture back on the saucepan to fully cook it. I mean, you don't have to do this. You can just eat it raw and be like a sociopath, but we want to do this. So I'm just gonna add 1 more hot ladle of milk so I can like temper the eggs and make sure they're like really good. Slowly. And yeah, just like slowly do it. You know what I mean? Slow and show. I don't know. Just whisk it up until it thickens. So the egg yolks and their proteins are going to coagulate once they start getting heated up. And then it's going to be nice and thick. And then we're going to toss it in the refrigerator and let it cool down for a hot moment. And after it cools down, pour it in with our coffee, mix it up, drink it up. Eggnog, 'tis the season. Happy Vlogmas. Like, what the heck? When does this thicken up? Is this like cook it for hours? Is it supposed to be like this? I don't know. Let's go check out. Does it have a nappe? Do you guys know what a nappe is? I bet you don't. A nappe, nappe? I think it's a French term. But anyhow, it's like if you put your finger across the back of the spoon and it's like stays, like a line stays, then it's done. So let's check if this is done or not. And we just put it back in the container and then it cools. Are you done yet? Let's check if it's got a nappe. Definitely doesn't, so yeah, looks like we're gonna be here. Should I just toss back in the cinnamon stick since we're taking so long? Have it a little bit more infused. Hurry up, dude. It looks really good though. So 84 million years later, you are going to see that your eggnog has thickened up. Take it off the heat. And once you take it off the heat, now is the time for you to add your vanilla. Just splash that bad boy in, you know what I mean? Yeah. Super thick. So I'm just gonna add like a teaspoon. I mean, you can measure it out, but I don't care. La-da-da-da-da, mix it all up together and then taste it to make sure it doesn't taste like poison. Please taste good, please taste good. Try not to burn your tongue. Oh my God, that tastes like ice cream. That tastes like ice cream. And then you're just gonna get it and pour it back into the container. Let it cool down in the fridge. It said for like an hour or two, or until it's like cool, obviously. And then you have yourself some fresh, delicious eggnog. I'm gonna come back, give it a taste, maybe mix it with some coffee. So it's been a hot minute and I've let the eggnog cool. It's nice and cooled. So I have these like really cool, I think they're like bourbon or like whiskey. I don't know, they're like cocktail ice cubes. They're just huge, huge. Like that. And needle that bad boy in. And oh my God, it's so good. Ugh. And last but not least, we're gonna finish it off with some cinnamon to be seasonal. So here we are. We have our fresh eggnog, homemade, holiday inspired, seasonal eggnog from my kitchen to yours. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and try the recipe out because it's gonna be delicious. So let's call in my mom and see if she likes it, because what do you think? You like it?
Yeah. Can I have it?
Yeah,
Sam?
obviously it's yours. It's eggnog. It's homemade eggnog. Isn't it delicious?
Did you put alcohol?
No, there's no alcohol. It's 9:30, Mom. No alcohol. I don't start drinking till 10. What? It's 6 eggs. Egg yolks. Low cal, low carb. So no.
Is there milk?
It was good, isn't it? I know. I'm like a super chef. But seriously, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys get through the year. It's been a rough one, right? Woo! Didn't sign up for that ride. But, you know, we made it through. But yeah, I hope everybody's happy, healthy in 2020, and until then. And have a great rest of your day. Bye!